Let us do another solved example. The question is in the description. So what we are given is that there is a conductor connected to a battery and the cross section of wire is given as 6 millimeter on one side. The cross section of wire is 6 millimeter on one side. The length of the wire is given to us. Length of the wire L equals to 10 meter and the current flowing through the wire is 3.6 ampere. The concentration of electrons, the number of electrons in this particular cross section is given to us as 8.5 into 10 to power 28 per cubic meter. Now what we have to find is the current density, which is J, and time taken by an electron to cover the entire length of wire. So these two things that we have to find out. So we already know that current density is equal to current upon area. Now area here we have to calculate. We are given that the cross section of wire is 6 millimeter on one side. So that means we have 6 into 10 to power minus 3 meter on one side. So area will be square of this. So it will be equal to 36 into 10 to power minus 6 square meters. This will be our area. So using these terms we can find out the current density. So it will be current is 3.6 given to us multiplied by the area that we just calculated. So it will be current density will be equal to 10 to power 5 ampere per meter square. So this will be the answer to the first part. Now the time taken by the electron to cover the entire length of wire T, it will be equal to length of wire divided by the drift velocity of the electrons. So actually this is the average time, the value that we will get, it will be the value of average time. So L will be equal to VD, we know that it is J upon NE. So our time will be equal to LNE upon J. Now we can substitute the values. L is given to us as 10. Concentration or N is given to us 8.5 into 10 to power 28. E is the charge on electron. So 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulombs. Divided by the current density which we just calculated as 10 to power 5. Now if we calculate this, then the time taken by the electron to cover the entire distance will be 1.36 into 10 to power 6 seconds. So this will be the answer to the second part of the question.